Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer Apple Pay to Cash App. Alright, so let's begin. First, we're going to first and foremost start back here at the Apple Pay section, and this is our Apple Cash. So we have some money in Apple Cash. Now this is held in our Apple wallet, of course. So if you want to go ahead and send this balance to your Cash App, first what you got to do is tap on the little icon up here at the top right and click on transfer to bank. It's going to ask you how much you want to transfer and tap next at the top. Now currently I have a different bank on file, so I'm going to show you how to add the Cash App bank account here. Tap to the right hand side and go to card details. In card details, you'll see an option that says bank account, so tap there. On this page, you'll see the different accounts you have on file. You can only have one bank account here, so we're going to delete the old one and add a new one. So tap on your account and here tap on this delete the bank account information. Once done, then you'll see add bank account, tap that and it will ask for your routing and account number. We need to get this from Cash App, so swipe over to Cash App, tap your balance, or for some users, bank tab at the bottom left. Here, then tap account and routing number. There you'll find the routing and account numbers to copy and paste. Mine is hidden, but it will show here. Once copied, go back to your Apple wallet and paste them here. Once entered, tap next and your bank will be added. Even though it's Cash App, it shows as Sutton Bank, so keep that in mind. Now that the bank is added, go back and tap transfer to bank again. Choose the amount and tap next at the top right. You'll see two options: instant transfer to a debit card with a fee, or the Sutton Bank option that takes 1 to 3 business days and is free. Select the free option, tap transfer and complete the verification by double clicking to confirm. Just like that, your Apple Pay is being transferred to your Cash App, and that's it. This is how you can transfer Apple Pay to Cash App. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.